Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best gymnastics mats is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for anyone involved in gymnastics, tumbling, or even just home workouts. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or a beginner, having the right mat can make all the difference in terms of safety, comfort, and performance. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of gymnastics mats, exploring different types, features, and what to look for when making your purchase. Number 5. ProsourceFit Puzzle Exercise Mat, Home Gym Flooring. This durable mat is designed to protect your floors or carpet. It creates a comfortable workout space or play area. It's a great solution for home gyms. Made with high-density EVA foam, it provides excellent support and cushioning. The mat is free of toxic phthalates. It's a great alternative to rubber mats. The water-resistant and noise-reducing design makes it easy to clean. It's suitable for various indoor uses, like garages, home gyms, and playrooms. It works best on flat, hard surfaces. These lightweight, interlocking foam mats are easy to connect and disassemble. This allows for quick storage of your home gym equipment. The foam may compress slightly under heavy objects. Each tile measures 24 inches by 24 inches and is half an inch thick. The set includes 6 tiles with end borders for a polished look. Clean it with warm water and dish soap. What we like. This mat is designed to protect your floors, making it perfect for home gyms and play areas. It's also incredibly easy to assemble and disassemble, allowing for quick storage. If you are looking for a simple, effective way to protect your floors and create a comfortable workout space, you should consider this. What people say. They are a great size, easy to clean, and they also included flat edge pieces, which is convenient and makes them look a lot nicer during use. They click together flat, so no worries about tripping. They stay in place even when I'm doing chaotic cardio that looks like I'm fighting invisible bees. Number 4. BalanceFrom 3-Panel Gymnastics Mat. This folding mat is perfect for various exercises. It provides a safer and cushioned surface for your gymnastics, yoga, and martial arts routines. With 1.5 inches of padding, it cushions your knees, back, and joints. The reinforced stitching ensures it provides durable support during your workouts. The double-sided vinyl cover resists moisture and is easy to clean. The textured finish keeps the mat stable and secure while you exercise. You can connect multiple mats together to expand your workout area. It also folds up neatly for easy carrying and storage. It features built-in handles and is lightweight. This makes it easy to store in a closet, carry in your car, or transport to the gym. What we like. With its 1.5-inch thick padding, this mat provides excellent cushioning for various exercises. The non-slip surface ensures stability, and the built-in handles make it easy to carry. If you like doing gymnastics, yoga, or Pilates, this mat is ideal for providing comfort and support during your workouts, so you should consider this. What people say. This BalanceFrom 6x2 feet folding gymnastics mat has been absolutely incredible for my home workout space and my daughter's gymnastics practice. The quality is outstanding with dense, supportive 1.5-inch thick padding that provides excellent cushioning for tumbling, stretching, and floor exercises without being too soft or losing its shape over time. And the durable vinyl surface wipes clean effortlessly after sweaty workouts or muddy little feet. The 3-panel folding design makes storage incredibly convenient in our small home, easily fitting in closets or under beds when not in use, while the generous 6x2 foot size gives plenty of room for cartwheels, rolls, handstands, and yoga flows without worrying about rolling off the edges. The cushioning is vastly superior over my previous system, 3 yoga mats layered, and so much easier to take out and put away as well. Number 3. Yes, 4 all EVA interlocking mats, home flooring. These interlocking mats are designed for easy assembly and customization. They are ideal for covering multiple spaces in your home. With a 3/8-inch thickness, they provide a comfortable and innovative flooring solution. The interlocking tiles connect seamlessly for a secure fit and flexible layout. Borders are included for a clean look. You can create unique patterns for living rooms, reading corners, and home offices with it. These mats feature strong EVA foam construction. They help protect floors from scratches and dents, while providing soft underfoot comfort. Each tile has a wood print on one side and a honeycomb pattern on the other for shock absorption, offering both durability and flexibility. Maintaining these foam tiles is simple. You can clean them effortlessly with minimal effort. Just use a wet cloth on the surface to keep your space fresh. The interlocking mats are lightweight and simple to take apart. They are convenient for standard living spaces. Simply unlock and stack them for space-saving storage when you're done using them. EVA foam tiles offer cushioning and a soft, supportive surface, ideal for casual use. However, they are not recommended for the impact and friction from strength workouts, cardio, or heavy equipment. What we like. These interlocking mats offer a customizable and comfortable flooring solution for various spaces. It features a double-sided design with a wood print on one side and a honeycomb pattern on the other. If you are looking for a versatile and easy-to-maintain flooring option for your home, you should consider this. What people say. Excellent product. The mats are resistant, easy to assemble and fit perfectly. They cushion the impact well, protect the floor and make training more comfortable. It was easy to assemble, and once you realize how the pattern goes, the edge pieces fit fine. It wipes down quickly and my robot vacuum ignores it. Number 2. Safely Fun Gymnastics Bar for Kids. This gymnastics bar is designed with premium protection features. It includes a cushioned pad and a thick mat for added cushioning and shock absorption, ensuring a safer and more comfortable practice experience. Built with reinforced steel pipes and a stable triangular structure, it supports up to 145 pounds. This ensures safe gymnastics practice at home. Easily adjust the height from 35 to 51 inches, perfect for children ages 3 to 11. It grows with your child, making it an ideal training tool for young beginners. It quickly folds from a full 57-inch training bar into a compact 17-inch size within seconds. This makes it perfect for easy transport and space-saving storage, ideal for both indoor and outdoor exercise. Quick and simple setup with clear instructions. Kids can help assemble their own gymnastics bar, making installation a fun and engaging parent-child activity. It's an excellent gift choice for any special occasion to encourage fitness and skill development. It comes with a 1-year worry-free warranty and 24/7 customer support for complete peace of mind. What we like. This gymnastics bar is designed with adjustable height, making it suitable for growing kids. It also features enhanced safety features for a comfortable practice experience. If you have kids who are interested in gymnastics and need a safe, adjustable, and portable training tool, you should consider this. What people say. The mat is thick and provides excellent cushioning for tumbling and other gymnastics activities. The folding design makes it easy to store and transport. The mat is durable and has held up well to regular use. Number 1. BCP 10 Feet Folding Gym Mat. This mat is built to last. It features high tensile thread stitching and a water-resistant faux leather surface, making it easy to clean and durable. The 4-panel design allows for easy folding and storage. Built-in handles make it convenient to carry the mat from place to place. It provides ample support with high-density EPE foam cushioning. This helps absorb impacts and resist flattening during workouts. Side handles are built in for easy carrying. This makes it simple to transport the mat to and from practice or different rooms. Hook and loop fasteners allow you to connect it to other mats. This expands your cushioned area for a larger workout space. The expanded dimensions are 120 inches long, 48 inches wide, and 2 inches thick. What we like. This mat is built to last with high-quality materials and stitching. It folds up easily for storage and features hook and loop fasteners to connect to other mats. If you are looking for a durable, foldable mat that can expand your workout area, you should consider this. What people say. The mat is thick and provides excellent cushioning for tumbling and other activities. The folding design makes it easy to store and transport. The surface is durable and easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.